Hey guys, welcome back to Cloud Pathshala. In last video, we discussed how to install and configure Terraform with our AWS account. In today's video, we will learn how to create resources like EC2 creation, security group creation using Terraform. Not only creation, we will learn how we can attach security group with EC2 instance using Terraform. Before starting this video, I would request if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. It will definitely help in your technical career. Let's get started. First of all, you have to check in your Visual Studio if your account is configured or not. This I have configured in our last video where I have shown how we can configure our AWS account. And after configuring it, every time we are using Terraform, so we have to run this command terraform init to download all the dependencies. Now the next thing is how we can create resources using Terraform. So I'm creating one more file, that is main tier. You can name anything, it doesn't matter. Only matter is the configuration. Suppose if we have to create a EC2 using Terraform, I'm just putting the heading here, AWS EC2. You can get the command from its registry. I'll put this link in the description, how you can find the commands of Terraform. Here you have to type EC2. We have to create EC2 instance. Let's click on EC2 instance. Here you can see the commands, how we can create it. Let's copy it and paste it here. We have to do some changes in it. AMI ID we have to provide here, what AMI we want to use. So let's go into the console. We can check the AMIs. So as we have to use this Windows here AMI. Let's copy it, paste it here. Size is T3 micro. And name you can give web test. This is our VM name that I have given here. Okay, let's run a command to check what going to be changed in our AWS console. You can see the output. Here our instance will be created. This will be the AMI. So we haven't attached the key pair, so it will take default key pair. Instance type will be T3 micro, and all the things will be default. Okay, security groups and all it will take as a default. Let's apply Terraform. It will ask for approval. You have to approve it. Yes. Let's go to our console. So you can see our web test has been created. It is in initializing state. And you can see in Visual Studio, it is saying apply complete, one added. Okay, here you can see the default security group has been attached. Suppose we have to change it by another security group. We can create the security group as well in our Visual Studio. How we can create it? Let's see. This is for security groups. Again, go to the registry. Here you have to type security groups. Click on AWS Security Group. From here you can copy this snippet and paste it in your main file. Again, we have to make some changes, like what is the name of that security group. Security group name will be, suppose we have to allow HTTPS, so I'm giving the name allow HTTPS. Again, here you have to use the VPC ID, which VPC you want to create the security group. You can check the VPC ID in console. This is the only VPC we have. Copy the VPC ID, put it here. In description, you can put HTTPS from VPC. This is for ingress traffic. CIDR block you have to update it. This is the CIDR block of VPC. Okay, and we are creating rule for IPv4 only. IPv6 is not required. If required, you can update the value here. Egress traffic, outbound traffic, I am keeping it any. So 00 means this is any. Again, if you want for IPv6, you can keep it. If you don't want, you can remove it. And here the name will be allow HTTPS. So let's save the file and see the Terraform plan. It will show us what's going to be changed. Here you can see one resource to be added. Let's see in the details. Okay, your instance is already created. Now it will create a AWS Security Group with the name of allow HTTPS. These will be the rules. Okay, let's apply it. It will not ask for approval. Here you can see it is creating a security group. Let's go into the console. Sorry, VPC. You can see a group has been created. We have created this group. You can check the inbound roles. We have allowed only port 443 for inbound traffic, and outbound traffic is any. Now it is created, but it is not attached with instance, right? You can see in the instance. Here I'll open EC2 dashboard. You can see in your instance security group is still default. Now how you can attach or how you can associate this security group with your instance, you have to type a command here, that is security groups will be, you have to give the name here. This is the name. Okay, this is the security group we have to allow. You have to remove these commas and put dot instead and dot name. Now by defining this command, we are saying this is the instance, and for this instance this will be the security group. Okay, let's save this file and check Terraform plan. Now it is saying one to be add, one to be destroy. So what it will do, it will remove the existing EC2. This instance will be replaced by new one, and the security group will be replaced. Default will be minus, and there will be a plus sign on AWS Security Group that allow HTTPS.name. Okay, let's apply the plan. Okay, now the VM has been destroyed. It is saying okay, media file and source second will be AWS instance web. There is no need to use of commas. Okay, let's save the file, run a command Terraform plan. So it's already destroyed the VM. Now it will create instance with new security group. Let's apply the plan. Check in the console. Okay, our new instance has been created. You can see the security group information here. Now the new security group has been attached. That's all for today's video. You can put your queries in comment box. Please subscribe my channel and like the videos. Thank you guys.